Well, people in western New York woke up to a heavy snowfall this morning, and as Brittany just said, it is just beginning. The storm expected to be historic, and officials call it a life-threatening event.
Yeah, Governor Hochul issued a state of emergency and travel advisories. The snow is expected to continue for days, with people advised to hunker down as the storm moves through. ABC's Rena Roy has the story.
Thousands are without power in western New York as people brace for life-threatening conditions. Lake-effect snow pummeling the area.
Trees are popping and snapping, dropping snow everywhere. It was pretty dangerous out there.
Lightning and thunder spotted during the storm from this driveway in Buffalo.
This is a very normal time of year for us to get lake-effect snow. To get this much, yeah, this is going to be up there, but we've seen big events like Redfield, New York in 2007, got 141 inches.
More than 3 inches falling in just 1 hour at the Buffalo airport. Flights there grounded. Drivers also advised to stay home. In Erie County, a travel ban even put in place.
We were very worried that most of Erie County was going to receive a significant snowfall in the first few hours of this.
Truck drivers in the area racing against the clock.
I don't want to deal with it. I don't have to.
Those who did venture out across the region facing treacherous conditions. Plows trying to keep roads clean, but still a number of drivers left stranded, waiting to be rescued. The Midwest also facing heavy snowfall. ABC's Alex Perez in Michigan.
Authorities asking people who can stay off the roads to stay off, and a number of schools have already announced they will be closed today. This snowfall, it's expected to stick around and linger through the weekend.